It is real hard to say no to this grilled plantain. Like, very simple. Stay tuned and let me share this recipe with you. Thank you so much to my returning subscribers for tuning in once again. I appreciate you all. And if this is your first time coming across my channel, my name is Annie Krieger. Thanks for watching. Maybe you sometimes do have plantains, just this type of plantain of mine today. It looks normal, it looks ripe plantain, it is not overripe looking, just okay. So after peeling them and deep fry, you find out they look so soggy, it is not to enjoy, they absorb too much fat, too much oil, and you really don't want that kind of plantain. So that was my case for today. So I decided to grill it. This way I will skip the deep frying. So what I did is go ahead and wash your plantain, clean your plantain first, and then top dry. After top dry, you want to peel it, then give it a cut all over, just like normal bonnet. Okay, now what you would do now is to decide if you want to have it a little bit spicy or just season with salt. So I wanted mine to be a little spicy, so I went in to season with some amount of salt. I went in with some paprika powder, okay, and next I went in with some chili powder, okay, dry chili powder. I call them African pepper because they are so hot. Then at this point you would generously rub that in to make sure it is all the spices is well incorporated. When your plantain is ready to be grilled, then bring to the oven to do that, or in the air fryer. Using your pan will also do this job, but it will take a longer time, okay? So I will be grilling mine in the oven today. This is what the grill function looks like. Any other function will also grill or roast your plantain, but I'm going for the grill function at 200 degrees C for 35 minutes. For my plantain, I will be needing a very fast, delicious native pepper sauce. And for that, I have my pointed red bell peppers. I have some amount of Scotch bonnet pepper. I have garlic and ginger, just small amount, and enough onion. You want to roughly chop that just like this and then set aside. At this point, I will introduce some amount of palm oil in my pot. Go in with enough sliced onion. If you are a fan of onion, then welcome to my world. If not, please skip it and just introduce your chopped pepper mixture, okay? So you want to stir all that together. Now you will season with your salt and bouillon powder. If you wish to do so, you can as well add in some blended crayfish, okay? But I just season with salt and bouillon powder. All the ingredients for this recipe, I will leave them in the description box. Now this is what I did. I have these tomatoes at home. This is just one seed of tomatoes. I needed to balance the taste of the pepper and fresh tomatoes, okay? So I went ahead, cut my tomatoes, take off the inner part, slice, and just drop in, cook some minutes, and that's all. The pepper sauce is the best and very fast and delicious, okay? Now 35 minutes later, our plantain is ready. Guys, look at this. Look at this. Now without joke, this plantain tasted heavenly, okay? So while I was grilling, 15 minutes later, I had to flip to the other side, continue to grill another 20 minutes. Altogether 35 minutes. Our plantain is just ready, sauce is ready. So I paired mine with grilled tilapia fish. If you haven't seen my recipe on how to grill your tilapia fish, I will leave a link on the screen, or you will get it in the description box. Please don't forget to check it out. Look at what my menu looks like today, just perfect for this weather, very light and healthy, so delicious. It reminds me of home, it reminds me of mama's time, mommy time. It's just perfect. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, you liked the video, the recipe. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if this is your first time on my channel, you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, now look at what inside this plantain looks like, all through cooked, spicy, and super delicious. I appreciate you all for watching to this time. Please don't forget to like once again, leave your opinion in the comment section, and see you all in my next one. Bye for now.